First class.
Yes, yes.
First class.
Yes, yes.
Are you ready for my class?
Yes, I am. Yes, we are.
Are you ready for my class? Let's be quiet. Okay, let's check your attendance first. If I call your name, you can answer with your favorite sport, but with the action replay. Are you ready? Okay. So if I call your name, you can answer with your favorite sport, okay? And also action replay-nya. Oke, kita mulai. Dan berikutnya, Muhammad bin Fahid. Boxing gimana sih? Ilham dan Muhammad. Hah? Oh, ini apa nih? Everyone, so before we start to chapter 2, I have a quiz to you. The quiz for you. Okay. Now open your phone. I want to share the link. Kirim seluruh kelas ya. I want to share to the classroom. So everyone, have you seen? Okay, this quiz there are 15 questions. Okay, the question is about the material in the chapter 1, especially about the vocabulary in the chapter 1, about read, ability. Okay, and about descriptive text. Okay, have you seen the link? Okay, now open your link. Open the link now. You can log in with the code. Okay, we are going to have a quiz. Okay, di sini there are 9 students have login. Okay, sudah masuk with the code. Di sini sudah ada Ali, Happy Kurnia, Dia, Ilham, Nana, Resti, Sinta, Faiz, sama Atia, Tiu. Okay, let's start our quiz. Udah? Are you ready? Oke, kita mulai ya. Udah? Berapa yang menjawab? 3 lagi. Hi everyone, we are going to the last question, okay? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay, the winner is number 1 Alin, number 2 Tiu itu Atia, and number 3 ini Dia. Okay, good job ya. Okay, everyone, we have done yet with this and now we are going to the material. So now, okay, open your book now and open your PDF, the PDF in your phone. Okay, everyone, today we are going to learn and study the next chapter. There are these chapter 2, okay? In the chapter 2, we are going to have the something called sport event. In the chapter 1, we have learned about descriptive text, okay? And in the chapter 2, we are going to learn about recount text. What's the difference? Okay, coba what's the difference about the context and descriptive text? Kalau descriptive itu bagaimana? Descriptive itu adalah teks yang describe seseorang, benda, tempat. Kalau itu teks itu adalah sebuah teks yang menceritakan dan menjelaskan kejadian atau sudah satu kali satu peristiwa. Jika gue sekarang about sport events, kita akan masuk ke konteks, yaitu menceritakan atau menjelaskan kembali suatu peristiwa yang telah terjadi di masa lampau ya, khususnya yaitu pengalaman kalian terkait apa? Sport ya, terkait sport ya. Tentu kalian juga pastikan kalian pernah menonton sebuah sport event. Pernah tidak? Pernah ya? Ada yang suka menonton sepak bola? Oke, badminton? Basket? Ada ya? Watching sport events is so very exciting, right? Nah, bagi kalian, menonton pertandingan olahraga bisa menjadi pengalaman yang berbeda-beda. Kenapa? Karena ada di mana kita menonton olahraga yaitu secara langsung, like in the stadion, ya, maupun secara tidak langsung, like on the TV. Jadi kita nontonnya di rumah, dan itu pasti memberikan kesan dan pengalaman yang berbeda-beda ya tentunya. Nah, hari ini di chapter ini, we are going to learn, we are going to story, jelaskan your experience, pengalaman kalian yang terkait pengalaman kalian dalam menonton pertandingan olahraga ya. Makanya di sini kita masuk ke recall text, karena di mana menceritakan sebuah identify new vocabulary about sport events. Okay? Kemudian untuk talk about your feelings and facts, perasaan kalian dan istilah kalian when watching a game, ketika kalian menonton sebuah game ataupun pertandingan. Okay? And di sini kita akan berdiskusi, discuss proper spectator etiquette. Jadi di sini kita akan diskusi cari cara kalian, sikap kalian, etika kalian ketika menonton sebuah pertandingan. Ada etikanya ya ketika menonton itu. So, okay, have you see the video? Udah belum? Scroll on the chapter 2. Okay, answer. So everyone look at the picture and answer the question. Okay, di sini kita sudah dapat ini picture. Yang pertama in the picture 1. Apa itu? Apa itu namanya ini? Picture 2. Main one itu apa? Watching live sport events, di mana di sini gambarnya menunjukkan bahwa sedang menonton pertandingan sepak bola di stadion secara langsung ya. Kemudian tuh. Oke. Kita dapat melihat ya di sini ada picture yaitu watching sport events at home melalui on the television. Oke, tentu ya harusnya juga berbeda. Oke. And everyone so now please answer 3 questions about this picture. What do you see in the picture and tell the ones. Tadi ya, what do you see in the picture? Jelaskan picture 1 and picture 2. Oke, gak apa-apa, singkat aja. You can answer with the simple. Okay, number 2 is how can you tell if someone is a loyal fan of a team or a player? Okay, what the meaning? Dari pertanyaannya apa? How can you tell if someone is a loyal? Loyal itu apa? Loyal? Alin loyal to Gian. Apa itu loyal itu? Setia. Okay, answer the question. Okay. And number 3 is which activity do you prefer and why? Pilih aktivitas dari dua ini, nonton di stadion secara langsung atau nonton secara virtual dari rumah. Which activity do you prefer, yang lebih kamu sukai and why? Dan kenapa? Keeping the duration alasannya. Okay? Are you ready? So, boleh ya? Have you done? Everyone? Have you happy? Let's do discuss together. So, okay, number 1. Because number 1, I'm gonna ask someone to read the question, to read the answer. Okay, number 1, listen. Okay, for the question number 1, what's your answer? What do you see in the picture? Tell the first. What do you see? And for the question number 2, how can you tell if someone is a loyal friend of the team or a player? Yeah. Okay, so number 2, what's your answer? Yes. Bisa ya memberikan hadiah. Memberikan hadiah ke pemain yang dia sukai ya, bisa. Oke, ada lagi nggak? Ada masukan lagi nggak? Follow Instagram ya, mencari main di sosial media ya, cari informasinya di sosial media ya. Oke, and let's discuss number 3. Which activity do you prefer? Aktiviti mana yang kalian lebih sukai? Coba Pak, apa coba? Watching watching live in the stadion or watching virtual on the TV. Oke, what's your answer? Tidak terlalu suka keramaian gitu, oke? Tidak terlalu suka keramaian. Nomornya suka dengar. Bukan gitu. Oke, kalau dari apa lebih suka apa? Nonton langsung atau dari rumah? Dari rumah kenapa? Oh, teman-teman bisa nonton kenapa? Iya, dan sama ini. Nonton bola di lapangan. Jadi kalau ada misalkan ada 17 itu sama nonton secara langsung. Nonton apapun event, kayak football, sekolah televisi, bola sama lapangan. Mantap, oke. Okay, alright everyone, my data solve for today. Okay, what the reflection? Apa yang kalian dapatkan dari pembelajaran hari ini? What's the reflection for the today lesson? Okay, tadi apa itu? Recontext itu apa? Menceritakan apa? Mas. So let's do end our class today with Sai Hamdalah together. Okay, everyone, before we end our class, let's do sing together, okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3. If you're happy and happy, clap your hands. If you're Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.